Next, take a tall glass and pour in your batter. Set this aside and take a non-stick pan and drop in some oil, about quarter full. Pat your sausages dry. Next, take your wooden skewers and your sausage and insert these wooden skewers into the sausages like this and then dunk it into the batter. And once your oil is hot, and drop in your corn dogs and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And then place it on some paper towels just like this and repeat the process. And that's it! Have these corn dogs with some tomato sauce and you're good to go.